Your backyard. 2 a.m. Something moves in the shadows. Is it an animal? An intruder? Or just your imagination? The difference between panic and peace of mind is the light and lens on the side of your house. But with so many options, which one actually works when it matters? We didn't just read the manuals. We bought and installed the top 5 floodlight cameras of 2025 and put them through a brutal 30-day test. We caught everything, including some things we never expected. The number 1 pick completely changed how we think about home security. Number 1. Arlo Pro 3. Elevate your outdoor home security with the Arlo Pro 3 floodlight camera, a powerful fusion of bright illumination and high-definition surveillance. This innovative security camera for home is equipped with a motion-activated floodlight that bathes your property in 2,000 lumens of brightness, escalating to 3,000 with the outdoor magnetic charging cable. The floodlight camera offers crisp 2K video with HDR to capture details in vivid clarity, day or night. The wide 160-degree viewing angle lets you see more and has auto image correction to reduce the fisheye effect. Designed for convenience, this wireless camera is entirely wire-free, promising hassle-free setup and flexible placement. The Pro 3's color night vision capabilities ensure your outdoor security is uncompromised, even in the darkest hours. The weather-resistant build offers continuous protection through sun, rain, or snow. Receive instant alerts on your phone when the motion sensor detects activity, and take advantage of the two-way audio to communicate with visitors. You'll also receive notifications for people, vehicles, and packages so you can take quick action with emergency response features. Number 2. Eufy Security. While most security cameras are limited to pointing in a single direction, the Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro can rotate 360 degrees and tilt as well, allowing the user to track visitor or trespasser movement through the property. It uses artificial intelligence technology and advanced motion detection to lock onto a moving subject automatically and follow the individual through the coverage area. This floodlight camera looked impressive out of the box, and we opted to install it on the underside of our covered patio ceiling where it could monitor the comings and goings of visitors to our back door. This is another hardwired model, so it should be installed in the place of an existing exterior light. At 3,000 lumens, this is the brightest of all the camera lights we tested. When triggered, it lit up the entire 15-foot by 15-foot patio, plus about 10 feet beyond it. Number 3. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. This Ring floodlight camera comes with 2 adjustable lamps that we configured to reach where we wanted the most illumination. While these are fairly bright floodlights, the 2 together produce 2,000 lumens, and each throws bright light to a distance of about 20 feet, we found the motion detection range to be on the short side, about 13 feet away from the device. Setup was quick and easy through the Ring app, although we still had to hardwire the camera using the wires from an existing light. We could sync the camera to our Wi-Fi and Echo Show, allowing us to view live streaming video on the Echo Show display screen. Ring offers a free 30-day cloud storage trial so that we could upload and store our test videos online. Number 4. Amcrest SmartHome Wi-Fi Floodlight Camera. If the sudden illumination of a bright floodlight isn't enough to deter trespassers, a seriously loud siren might just do the trick. This floodlight camera from Amcrest blasts would-be bad guys with a 110 dB motion-activated siren. While some of the other floodlight cameras we tested also came with sirens, this Amcrest model was by far the loudest, and we felt it offered the best shot at scaring away any ne'er-do-well. We downloaded the Amcrest app, which walked us through the syncing and configuration steps. The camera features 1080p resolution with a 114-degree range of view, which we considered too narrow a field to offer a whole lot of security. But those only looking to monitor a limited area, such as a corridor, would likely find it more than suitable. The 2 adjustable floodlights provide 2,000 lumens, and each one casts light about 25 feet away. Number 5. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Those hoping to add the ultimate in high-tech security monitoring need look no further than the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. This Ring camera is a step up in technology, and it offers advanced security features that seem straight out of a spy thriller. Its basic functions are all top-notch, too. It records in 1080p resolution and features 2 adjustable lamps that emit 2000 lumens of light. We installed the Ring Pro on a barn where we'd previously had some problems with theft. We were able to adjust the 2 lamps to illuminate certain areas. And that's the definitive ranking. From the budget-friendly surprise to the ultimate premium guardian for your home. Ready to take back your peace of mind? All the links to purchase these cameras, with the latest discounts, are in the description below. If this real-world test saved you hours of research, smash that like button, it really supports our channel. Share this video with a neighbor or family member looking to upgrade their security. For more honest, tested gear reviews to protect what matters most, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay safe!